Hi everyone, it's me again, Erin. Welcome to Module 5 of the course, which means we are officially halfway through. Very exciting. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Module 5's activities and assignments. So like every module, your first step is the overview and the agenda, where you can see what we'll be doing in the week, both in broad terms, and the agenda shows the specific list of things you're being asked to do this week. Let's go ahead and head over to the lectures and readings folder. You can see that this week we're covering chapters 9 and 10 in your textbook, which is covering pro-social behavior and antisocial or aggressive behavior. Pretty interesting stuff. Also in the lectures and readings folder, you can see that there is a video to watch called The Bystander Effect is Complicated. The bystander effect is something that you may have learned about in your introductory psychology course, but if not, you'll learn more about it in chapter 9. And this video just gives you some more detailed information on the bystander effect and gives you a little more nuanced view of how complicated it really is. Now let's head over to the assignments folder. This week we have a new assignment. It's the topic approval for your film analysis paper. So remember, at the end of the term, you have a 3 to 5 page film analysis paper due. It's due on Tuesday, May 7th, to be specific. For this film analysis topic approval that's due this week, it's not worth any points, so you're not going to be penalized if you don't get it done, but I highly encourage you to submit this assignment. What you'll do is just write a few sentences or a few bullet points. You'll tell me the film that you're planning on watching for the paper, and also identify the 3 social psychological concepts that you're going to write about in the paper as well. So what I'm going to do is I'll read through your plan. Again, it can be a few sentences or a few bullets, and I'll give you feedback on that plan. Specifically, I'm looking for, just to make sure the concepts you've chosen are not too broad and not too narrow, that they're going to be appropriate for a 3 to 5 page paper. And if you have any questions about this, just let me know. But this is just to start getting you thinking about the paper and start working on it before it's due on May 7th. Our other assignments are typical. It's the Module 5 quiz. So like every quiz, it covers 2 chapters, chapters 9 and 10, and it has 10 questions. You'll have 30 minutes to complete all 10 questions. And last, you'll find the Module 5 discussion board. In this discussion board, as always, you'll have 2 prompts to respond to. In one prompt, you're going to be asked to write about an experience of the bystander effect. And in the other, you'll be asked to discuss proactive and reactive aggression, which you'll learn more about this week. And all Module 5 assignments and activities are due on Sunday, April 21st by 11:59 p.m. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks. See you later.